Okay, here's a little recipe for turkey burgers with sauteed mushrooms on toasted Italian bread, topped off with a sharp cheddar cheese and a little salt-free ketchup. At least no salt added. So you put your turkey burgers in your toaster oven, put them on toast to start. Chop up your mushrooms, get your bread ready. I didn't use a lot of bread here. Put it in the toaster oven on toast for about 20 minutes. Flip them over, add your mushrooms, a little butter on top. Put that on broil. Get everything else ready. Your sharp cheddar. You're going to actually put the sharp cheddar with the mushrooms on top of the turkey burgers, then put them on broil. That'll help to hold the mushrooms onto the turkey burgers so they don't get all over the place. You can soak up a little of that juice with a paper towel if you'd like. Put your turkey burgers back in there on broil just for a couple minutes till the cheese melts nicely. And then you can take the turkey burgers out and get your bread ready. Don't toast it too much. And there you have your turkey burger on top of the bread, a little ketchup, and that's it. You can go for one or two.